Hello everyone, this is Rupesh and you're watching CPP Nuts video series on C++11 topics. And this topic is about constant expressions. And the syntax for writing constant expression is something like this. You just have to write the constant expr at front of the function, and then that function becomes constant expression functions. Now you might be wondering what is the use of this constant expression function. So let me give you an example here. Or before that, let's read this comment so it will be very easy for us to follow up. So using constant expressions specifier, it is an specifier, it is possible to evaluate the value of a function or variable at compile time. Yes, this is very important. This line says that it is actually possible for some function to calculate the value at compile time itself. It is not always possible, but it is possible sometimes. So if this a and b is just simply 5 plus 8, it's just going to return 13 from here, right? So when you are actually calling this function, if you have this add at compile time only, if you are giving this statement and want to initialize the result into some variable y, then it is not required to actually calculate this addition at runtime. At compile time only it is possible because you have given the value at the compile time. It's not like this 5 or 8 is coming from some user defined or depending on the users. Okay, what I mean to say is, let's suppose integer a and integer b is there, and using cin I'm taking a and then b, and after this I'm calling add a comma b, and this is inside main, which is actually your second example. So you can have this a and b. After that I'm taking a and b, and I can have a and b anything at compile time, sorry, runtime. So getting the value for this one is actually impossible because it depends on what I am going to give the input. But wait a minute, what about this one? Add 1 comma 2, this is already given. When this statement is actually running at runtime, this 1 will not become 5 or 10 or something. This 2 is not going to change. Whatever happens, this add will result 3 here. No matter what happens, if it is going to call this one, and if this is the expression it is returning, then obviously you will get 3 here. So why to wait till runtime? It can actually compile it and get the value for you, because 1 and 2 are a constant values. They are not coming from some user and it is not random. In order to cover situations like this, we have this constant expression or const expr. This is a specifier. You can specify some function with this one, and then compiler will take a note that, okay, if I can use this function at compile time and produce the value for any call, I must do that. This is what it is. Cool, right? Yes, it is. I don't know how many people are happy, but I am really very happy. So let's draw something. Oh my goodness, this is looking so good. Come on, Rupesh. Yeah. So I'm so happy, and you should be happy about this. So let me just run this program and I'll show you the output. Actually, you cannot see the output whether it is generating at compile time or runtime. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, guys, and I'm sure I'll see you in the next videos of C++11 topics, because this video is a part of a C++11 series list. So you will get so many C++11 changes videos in this list. So I hope I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye. Take care.